we're going to create a bolt-on silo. Now if you look at the structure, we've got WordPress basically installed. We then have WooCommerce, and we got the WP Video Silo plugin. If you're doing agency work, or you're working with customers, or you're doing stuff like this, and you want to add a bolt-on silo, you can essentially add on a bolt-on silo by creating a silo page and then nesting the stuff on. You don't have to touch the WooCommerce or what the clients have built before. Bear in mind, when you install the Video Silo plugin, it's going to create a home page by default, and the page is going to be called home. So if you have a page that's called home in the site that you're working on currently, it's going to make a home 2. I recommend when you install the plugin, make sure that that is in draft mode. If it switches it over, just roll the front page back to the default page that was there. It won't overwrite it. The next thing you want to do is, let's just say we're going to add silo to the bolt-on silo. Basically all you're going to do is create a silo page, and we're going to call this one drones, for example. If we look at our website, we've got an existing site already. If this was it, I'm going to bolt on a silo. So what I'll do is I'll come in over here at home, best drones. I'm going to add a video just to show what it does. I'm going to say publish, and I'm going to say make it so. What this is going to do is going to create best drones underneath the home architecture. Okay, so we can see it over there. If I come to my menus, I go appearance, menus. I come to my header menu, I go select. That's the wrong one, so I want to basically delete that, so it's out of the way. I just want to let's just take the silo menu now. We're going to select that, and I'm going to add best drones to this, and I'll put it down here. I'm going to save this menu, and when I press save, that is me bolting on the potential place for a silo. So if I refresh this page, we'll see it pop up over here, best drones. Okay, so when the guys click on this, then they'll get the actual page, and there you can see it's dropped in all the text that the guys had for his video, and if there are comments, there would be more. So we can utilize this to create hybrid sites that actually sit and incubate with videos and content while we're working on it, to get it climb up the rankings. We can come in, edit the pages. We can utilize this information to our own benefit over here as well by rewriting it and working with it. So you can see it's very cool the way the Video Silo plugin works. We've essentially come in and created a page. It's gone out to YouTube, it's fetched the video, it's shoved it in, and it's done its job. If we want to delete this, simply just come to pages, trash, and then empty trash.